we have to find value second derivative for theta equals 1. So it means we have to find first derivative of our f function. So f prime of theta is equal, we have constant, so it means we have to copy this 4 first, and the derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant. We have 2 theta, so we just copy this, times cotangent of 2 theta. And now we have to find the derivative of function which is inside. We have 2 theta. Derivative of 2 theta is just 2. So we have times 2. This is equal. 4 times 2 is 8. And we have negative. Positive times negative is negative 8 cosecant 2 theta times cotangent 2 theta. Now we have to find second derivative, so it means we have to find the derivative of our first derivative. So this is equal. We have here multiplication. It means we have to use rule when we have u times v prime. This is equal u prime times v plus u times v prime. In our case, we have u equals negative 8 cosecant 2 theta and v is equal cotangent of 2 theta. Now we have to find the derivative of our u function. So u prime is equal, we have constant first, so we copy this constant, negative 8, and we have composite function. It means first we have to find the derivative of cosecant and next derivative of 2 theta. So derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant, we copy 2 theta times cotangent 2 theta and times derivative of 2 theta is just 2. So this is equal, negative times negative will be positive, and 8 times 2 is 16 cosecant 2 theta times cotangent 2 theta. And now we have to find the derivative of v. Derivative of v will be derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant square of 2 theta and derivative of 2 theta is 2. So we have times 2. This is equal, negative times positive is negative 2 and we have to just copy cosecant square of 2 theta. Now we have to just replace. So we will have, first we have u prime is equal with whole expression. So we have 16 cosecant 2 theta times cotangent 2 theta times v is equal cotangent 2 theta. So we have times cotangent 2 theta plus, and we have u is equal negative 8, so we have to put in parentheses cosecant 2 theta times v prime is equal negative 2 cosecant square 2 theta. So we have in parentheses negative 2 cosecant square of 2 theta. This is equal, we have 16 and we have times cosecant 2 theta, cotangent times cotangent will be cotangent square 2 theta, and we have plus, because negative times negative give us positive, 16, and we will have cosecant cube 2 theta. So this is our second derivative. Now we have to find value, this derivative, for theta equals 1. So we have f bis of 1 is equal. It means we have to replace theta by 1. So it will be 16 times cosecant 2 times 1 times cotangent square, we have 2 times 1, plus 16 cosecant cube 2 times 1. We can put in parentheses. So this is equal, it will be 16 times cosecant 2 times cotangent square 2 plus we have 16 times cosecant cube of 2. This is equal. Because we don't have in calculator cosecant and cotangent, first we have to change this function. So we know that cosecant of x is equal 1 over sine of, and cotangent of x is equal 1 over tangent of x. So this is equal, we have to copy 16, and cosecant is 1 over sine, so will be times 1 over sine of 2 in our case. And now we have cotangent square of 2. Cotangent is 1 over tangent, so we will have 1 over tangent of 2 to second power plus 16 times, and cosecant is 1 over sine of 2, and we have cube. This is equal. Now we can use calculator. We have 16 times, open parenthesis, 1 divided by sine of 2, close parenthesis, times, open parenthesis, 1 divided by tangent of 2, close parenthesis, square, plus 16 times, open parenthesis, 1 divided by sine of 2, close parenthesis, cube. This is equal 24.96. And this is my solution.